What up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is BizMatik, and I'm back with another one for y'all, man. This time around, look, this time around is Grand Funk Railroad with We're an American Band. First of all, hat off. I tip my hat. I'm not going to take my hat off, but I tip my hat to these guys. Yo, when I tell you the last song I did from them, man, that is probably the best live performance I've reviewed. Yo, definitely one of the best bass lines I have ever heard. That was... Yeah, I gotta go watch that video. My mind was blown. And I'm like, yo, if they this good live, I gotta listen to their studio version. So that's why I'm doing this studio version. But if they got more good lives, y'all let me know. Put it in the comment section. And some of y'all was like, they deserve an album journey. And you know I'm very selective with the album journeys, but I don't know. Y'all let me know. And also let me know what's next from them. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And yo, let's go ahead and listen. I'm saying? American Band. Yo, the rock star lifestyle was crazy. I remember when I used to watch stuff like that on TV, or like whenever in the morning VH1 watching these rock star videos. I'm like, man, these guys are living it up. Now the rappers live like that. It's like they live like rock stars. And it's like, it's a lot. But but you hear the bass on the background. Yeah, I really, I have this question for y'all. Y'all could just answer this for me, right? Which one do you think it takes more skill to be great at, right? Like a bass guitar, or just a regular electric guitar? Which one you think? Like, because I feel like the bass just be so subtle sometimes. A lot of people don't even like hear it, but some people, the bass is so dope that you hear, you're like, oh shit, what the that bass is crazy. I think that's hella impressive because the guitar is gonna stand out regardless, right? So I don't know. Y'all let me know what you think about that. I really want to know from y'all opinion, because y'all been listening to rock obviously way more than me. But yeah, Grand Funk, man, dope. I love the drums too. I love the drum. The vocals, classic rock vocals. I like it, man. I like it. I like their sound. I like their sound. It's just raw. But I'm not gonna lie, the live version sound way better than this. Well, I think there were two different songs, but I'm saying they sound way better live than what I'm hearing right now. Cause that live was just crazy.
The boys in the band, they say, come on, dudes, let's get on. And we proceeded to tear that hotel down. We're an American band. We're an American band. We're coming to your town. We'll help you party down. We're an American band. We're an American band. We're an American band. We coming to your town. We'll help you party down. We're an American band. We're an American band. We're an American band. We coming to your town. We'll help you party down. We're an American band. We're an American band. We're an American band. We coming to your town. We'll help you party down. We're an American band. We're an American band. We're an American band. We're an American band.
Dope, 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 dope. Crazy instrumentation. I love the hook. We're an American band. We're an American band. We're coming through your town. Yeah, so with this band, I'm definitely gonna go through their catalog. I'm gonna try one album and see how y'all respond to it, and then if y'all don't want me to continue, then I won't. But I'm gonna try one album, right? And y'all let me know which album is that. But I usually like to start from the very beginning, start with like the debut album, and then and then move forward. But like I enjoy this band a lot. The thing is, I had never even heard of them. I have never even heard of Grand Funk Railroad. Like, it's crazy. Because a lot of the bands I do hear, I don't listen to, but I at least have heard of them. Like, I hear the name, I'm like, yeah, I heard. Because, if you're a music fan, even if it's just rap or whatever, if you're a music fan, you've heard a lot of band names, or you heard a lot of artists that you didn't necessarily listen to any of their songs. Just like if I say Jay-Z or something, Malaya, I'll be like, yeah, I know Jay-Z, But yeah. Y'all let me know how you feel about it in the comment section below, and also what's next from them, and also would y'all like that album journey? That would be dope. Yeah, I should start asking for to reach a like goal so I could do things like that, but I don't know. Like the video if you made it this far. Subscribe if you haven't, please. That would be dope. For my OG triple OGs, I do have a second channel. The link is in the description. Go subscribe to that. We got great content over there also. And yo, I'll see y'all in the next one, man. And guess what? You better be there. Peace.